Most advice says your business grows through networking. Events, small talk, constant interaction. But what if that drains you instead of helping you? Here is the reality. You can build strong connections without traditional networking. Start with content. Platforms like LinkedIn allow you to share ideas, insights, and experiences. The right people find you based on what you say, not how often you speak. Next, use direct outreach, but keep it simple. A short, clear message is more effective than long conversations. One thoughtful message can open more doors than 10 random introductions. Then, build in public. Share what you are learning, what you are building, and what you are solving. This attracts people who already understand your work. Also, focus on small, meaningful connections. You do not need a large network. You need the right network. Here is the key shift. Networking is not about talking to everyone. It is about being clear enough that the right people come to you. For introverts, this is an advantage. You replace noise with clarity and volume with intention. That is how real connections are built quietly.